Hello guys, welcome to Sumukha Infotech. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple navigation bar using Bootstrap framework. Navigation bar is a facility with which other child forms associated with the project can be accessed. Let us learn how to create it. Let us learn how to create a nav bar. Make sure you have installed either WAMP or XAMPP. Along with that, you need a simple editor, either Notepad++, this one, or Bracket, or any editors which you feel comfortable with. So you need to make sure you have installed either XAMPP or WAMP. Along with that, any one editor. First, let us download the Bootstrap framework. For that purpose, let us launch any browser. In the address bar, type getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. This is the official website. Here we have versions window list box. Select the version 3.4.1. Here you get to see download Bootstrap. Click on this. Again, there are options: download Bootstrap, download source, download Sass. Just to select the first one, download Bootstrap. When you click on this, the zip folder containing Bootstrap materials gets downloaded. Here you can see. Go to the download folder. Show in folder. Wait. Yes, it has got downloaded here, Bootstrap 3.4.1. It is a zip folder. You need to copy this folder into your root directory. So what I will do, I will select this one, either cut or copy. I will copy this. Now I will launch my WAMP server. So when you double click on it, it gets mounted in the taskbar. Still it is red. When it gets turned green, it's ready to use. Yes, it got turned. When you click on it, you get a pop-up window with options: localhost, phpMyAdmin, www directory. You select the www directory. This is called root directory. Here I will create a new folder with name my web app. It can be anything. It is left to you. Here I will paste. Wait, it takes some time. Yeah, it's got unzipped. So this folder will be having three subfolders called CSS, fonts, JS. Let me move this folder outside, that is to my web app folder. I will cut and paste here. Yeah, I got my three folders. I will remove the old folders, that is Bootstrap, distributable and zip folder. Once you get these three things, now you are ready to use Bootstrap. Now let us try to write simple programming including HTML, and let us learn how to create a simple Bootstrap page. Okay, so let us learn how to create a simple nav bar. Now use the editor Notepad++. Okay, first let us save the file with a proper name in our root directory. You know what is the root directory is. Go to my computer, C drive, WAMP, www directory, my web app, my web app here. Yeah, so I will save this file with name navbar.php. Okay, the file got saved. Now go to the official website, that is getbootstrap.com. If you scroll up, you get to see getting started. Select this option. If you scroll down, you arrive at basic template. Yeah, basic template is here. They have written all the required elements. Just you need to copy paste them. Just I will copy. I will select all the things and paste here. For now, don't worry what are all they have written. You just ignore them. You don't have to worry. So in body they have written hello world. Okay, I will remove that hello world. I will keep other things as it is. Let us create some space. Okay, body tag. Here I will insert the navbar related code. For that purpose, I will go to again Bootstrap. Here I will select CSS. Yeah, in the right side, you get to see, you should be able to see navbar. Okay, I must have selected a wrong option. Let us select components. Yes, when you select components, you get to see navbar here. Just click on it. This page explains what is navigation bar, how it works, all those things. If you are interested, keep reading all these things. Otherwise, just scroll down. Here is my example. Yeah, just I will copy. So this is the output I supposed to get when I copy paste this code. Just I will copy and I will paste it in a place which I created after body tag. Just paste it. Yeah. Now you do not worry about all this code. Okay, everything got done. Fine. Save the file. Let us execute this program. For that purpose, you select a new tab, type localhost followed by my web app. Yes, select navbar.php. Super. So when you execute it, you should be able to see this navbar. When you resize to mobile screen window, yes, it is sliding down. Super, it's working. This is how we can create a simple navigation bar without writing a single line of code. Later we can modify this based on our requirements. Here they have written brand, link, drop down, many things are there. Just you ignore them. We can edit them as for our requirements. This is how we can create a simple navigation bar. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, I will explain how to customize this nav bar according to our requirements. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like the video. I will come up with the second video which will illustrate how to customize this nav bar. Thank you very much for watching.